Hello students, today we will discuss about extrusion process. Extrusion process. That topic cover in manufacturing process for semester. Definition of the extrusion process. Extrusion is the process of confining the metal in a closed cavity and then allowing it to flow from only one opening. So that metal will take the shape of the opening. Metal will take the shape of the opening. That is basic definition of the extrusion process. We can see the line drawing of the extrusion process. In this extrusion process, one cylinder here and end of the cylinder fix the die that is extruded metal. That direction. In the cylinder, mount the plunger. The plunger force inside the cylinder and here put a heated metal billet that is cylinder that is schematic diagram of extrusion process. The complexity of the parts that can be obtained by the extrusion is more than that rolling, because the die required being very simple and easier to make. Also, extrusion is a single pass process, unlike rolling. The amount of reduction that is possible in extrusion is large. Generally, brittle materials can also be very easily extruded. It is possible to produce sharp corners and re-extend angles in this extrusion process. Next one, we can see some materials, the extruded pressures like that. Tin base alloys, have 275 to 700 megapascal pressure required for extrusion. Next one, the soft copper alloys for required extrusion pressure about 200 megapascal. So on. The all materials have the particular extruded pressure for extracting the required material. Thank you.